Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
I will show you how to create and name tab groups in Chrome. First, right-click a tab and choose Add Tab to New Group. A colored dot appears. Click it to open the Naming and Color menu. Type a short name and press Enter to save the group name. You can add more tabs by right-clicking and selecting Add Tab to Group. Use concise names like Work, Research, or 2025 Projects for clarity. This makes visual organization faster when you have many tabs open. After creating groups, you can collapse or expand them to reduce clutter. Click the group name to toggle Collapse, keeping tabs hidden but still loaded. Drag the group header to reorder groups across the tab strip quickly. To move a tab between groups, drag it into the target group header. Remove a tab from a group by right-clicking and choosing Remove from Group. Close a group by right-clicking its name and selecting Close Group option. Collapsed groups save space and speed visual scanning when managing many tabs. Customize groups with colors to visually separate tasks and priorities quickly. Right-click the color dot to choose options such as blue, red, or gray. You can pin individual tabs to keep important sites available and compact. Sign into Chrome to sync tab groups across devices on the same account. Open all tabs in a group by right-clicking the group and choosing Open All. Use the tab search icon to find a group or specific tab quickly by name. Manage workflows by creating
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.